Hello friends, welcome to Vetri Otu's channel. I'm Vetri Otu, and on this channel I share videos on food business. I also share videos on NAFDAC registration process in Nigeria. Kindly subscribe, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. In today's video I'll be telling you 3 ways you can make more money in your food business. Okay, it's no news that in Nigeria and all over the world there is increase in the prices and the cost of things in the market, and this is the best time to think of ways you can increase your profit. You can make more money in your food business. If you're just seeing me for the first time, I love to share about food businesses a lot because over 15 years of my life I've been in the food industry, and I love to share my experiences to help people understand and to help people to grow in their food businesses. My first point is accurate food costing and pricing. Accurate food costing and pricing. In fact, I feel that the food costing and pricing and marketing are the backbones to your food business, because if you do not cost right and you do not apply the right prices to your product, then most likely you will lose out. You would either make little or no profit. Okay, and eventually you won't be able to sustain your business. So in my online course, the Ultimate Food Costing and Pricing course, I teach food business owners how to cost their ingredients to the last gram, and also 3 pricing formulas that you can use to apply prices and come up with the right prices for your products. If you're interested, the link will be in the description. So the first thing I feel you should do as a business, even before you set your price, is to check the cost of your ingredients, the cost of running your organization, other costs that are involved in running your business, and then you'll be able to, when you know this cost, bring this cost down to the individual products that you produce. Okay, and then set a markup price for your product in such that it covers your cost, and also you have a profit, and also you are able to remain competitive in the market. There's a way it works. Okay, set the accurate prices so that you'll be able to make adequate profit. This is how you can make more money in your food business. I know someone that she sells parfait in cups, and I told her, how much are you making from your parfait? You sell parfait a cup for about 3,500, and she said she makes 300 naira, barely 300 naira, not up to 500 naira on a cup of parfait that costs 3,500. So how are you able to run your business that way? There's a pricing formula. There's a way you apply it in your business so that you make enough profit, and then you're able to sustain the business. There's so many things you have to spend money on, right? Like if you employ people, you have to pay them salaries. If you're paying rent, of course you have to pay rent where you are. Even if you're producing from the house, you have to probably know that you are contributing something to the rent, right? So there are so many things. Okay, what of the cost of training? You have to train yourself, you have to train your staff. What of equipment? What of degradation of your equipment? There's a way to apply the right prices to your product so that you remain profitable and also be competitive in the market. So the more profits you make, the more money you make. So the more accurate pricing and costing you do in your business, the more money you make in your food business. Then number 2 is to buy raw materials in bulk. I gave an instance sometime. There's this particular flavor that we use in production of our zobo. So when we're buying this flavor in retail, it was expensive until we're able to get a wholesale supplier. So you wouldn't believe that by buying these flavors in wholesale quantity, on each packet we're able to save about 10,000 naira. Imagine if we use 20 packets, we are saving 200,000 naira. So this is how you can make more money in your food business. For instance, the last flour we bought at 58,000 naira, and when you retail, you find out that you're probably buying that flour at 65,000 or 60 something thousand. So one of the ways you can save money for your production in your food business is by buying raw materials in bulk. So save up money and buy raw materials in bulk. You would never know how much you're saving. In fact, the milk that we use in production of our Greek yogurt and our yogurt, Buying that milk in a bag saves about 30 something thousand naira. So imagine if we use 10 bags of that milk, we are saving 300 and something thousand naira. So these are the ways you can actually save money and make more profit and make more money. In fact, buying raw materials in bulk would help you save your production cost. It will help you to make more profit. It would even help you to increase your capacity of production. Yes, because the more you're able to buy more raw materials, the more you are even able to produce, because a customer can just walk into your shop and I want 1,000 pieces of banana bread. You already have the materials, you can just bake, and you save a lot of money just buying materials in bulk. The next way you can make more money in your food business is by marketing. See, I can never and you can never overemphasize on marketing. Marketing helps you take your products out there. It makes your products more visible. I actually reluctantly visited a supermarket, reluctantly, to advertise one of our products. And guess what? They accepted this product and we have supplied product. We have. So imagine if I didn't go there or I didn't visit that supermarket. Imagine if I did not visit the supermarket. Make sure you have a marketing team. And first of all, you have to be the one that will market your product. If you don't market your product right, and you don't teach people, if you don't teach your staff or train them professionally on marketing, then you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Marketing helps you to become more visible. And the more visible you are, the more likely people are to buy your product. In fact, you should have a marketing budget every single month. There is a particular advert you run that is known as visibility advert. There you show up daily online running adverts on Instagram and Facebook, because people are in different buying journeys. You have the very cold audience that don't even know about you. They don't even know probably whether they need your product or not. It's your duty to show up and show them the benefits of your product, because people want to know what is in it for me. Show them the benefits of your products and then market your product to them. Let them know. Have a budget for your sponsored ads, your influencer marketing, if you can afford it. Get influencers to promote your brand. Show up online daily. Tell people what you're offering and the benefits of your products. Currently, I noticed that the least budget on Instagram is about 2,000 plus or so, about 2,900. It wasn't like that when dollar rate was a bit good. But when the rates increased, I noticed that the budget also increased. You can run these adverts daily if you can afford it, or maybe in a week you can decide to run 3 or 4 times a week to get more eyes on your product. You need to understand that when running adverts, you may not make sales immediately. You are just showing your products to the right audience, to people, such that when they need your product, they will come for you. Be the top on their mind, so that when they need those products, they will come for you. So the day you run your advert, if it doesn't convert to sales, does not mean that it's not converting. You're showing people your products. Sometimes people buy immediately, some other times they buy later. But don't relent on your marketing efforts. Keep pushing your product out there, and the more sales you make, the more money you make in your food business. If this was helpful, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel, watch my adverts. If my videos are helpful to you, share my videos. This is how you support this channel to earn: by watching my ads, by sharing my videos, by liking this video, by placing a comment. It will tell the YouTube algorithm that this video was helpful, and to promote this video to more people. And the more people watch my ads, the more I'm able to earn on my channel. If you want to also join the Ultimate Food Costing and Pricing online course, the link will be in the description. It will also be on this video. Kindly join and train and learn how to cost and price your products accurately. Thank you for watching.